Hello, everyone, and welcome to Creatively Miss Me, Decorating on the Budget. Well, it's fall decor time, and today I am doing a simple but powerful coffee station. Well, almost everything on here I already had in my stash. The only new items that I purchased this year, I will introduce them to you when I share them. So let's jump into this video, and I'll catch you at the end.
I'm jealous of your left side neck tattoo, 'cause it means so much to you, and it won't ever remove. I'm jealous of your day one cousins too, 'cause they knew you from the womb, and know all that you've been through. I'm jealous of the way the sun gets to shine on you. I'm jealous of the way the moon spends its nights, watching you snooze even in your sleep. You're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind kiss your face. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive to the street you ride. I'm jealous. I'm selfish. All mine. I'm jealous of the seasons as they change, 'cause they seen you through the rain, and you ride through all the waves. I'm jealous of your coworkers all day, 'cause they get to pick your brain. And I know this might sound strange, but don't mention none of your exes, erase that list. 'Cause in my mind I gotta pretend that they just don't exist. Ain't my fault, you're so fine. Please tell me, babe, is it a crime? Can I just get all of your time? I'm selfish 'cause you're supposed to be all mine. So don't let the wind fade. All mine. No, don't let nothing take my place. Supposed to be all mine. From the car you drive take my place. I know it sounds crazy, babe, but I'm jealous. I'm selfish. Oh my, it's supposed to be on my mind. I'm just jealous. I'm just selfish. All mine.
Now here's a closer up of the coffee station. Now these Hello Fall cups, they were purchased at General Dollar a few years back. So those are not new. So everything I use pretty much came from the Dollar Tree or General Dollar or thrifting. Now the white sugar, the white creamer, that was thrifting. The flowers I have here, the floral arrangement, that came from different flowers I've purchased over the years from Dollar Tree. The orange pumpkin, little small pumpkin, that came from Amazon. Now, what I love is my new items are my canisters. These pumpkin canisters came from Amazon. I will try to include what I can about them down below. Now, the gold voltage cups, those came from the Dollar Tree as well years ago. Now, the white pumpkin as well came from the Dollar Tree, along with the foliage underneath. Now, the sign, the pumpkin sign, you know that's an oldie but a goodie from the Dollar Tree. Now, the cups on the coffee cup stand, oh, they come from a range of places. Dollar Tree, General Dollar, and I think it's where they came from. General Tree and General Dollar is where I got those coffee mugs. And the placemats that I put underneath, those were thrifted years and years ago at Goodwill. I've had them for many years. So here's an overall look at the coffee station. I'm really pleased with the pops of color in here for the fall. As you'll see, the rest of the house is going to look another way, but I wanted my kitchen to be the fall. You know, the oranges and the greens and the yellows, the burnt oranges. I wanted that traditional color in my kitchen. But so I decided to keep with that traditional colors. So I think they came out really pretty. I want to thank you so much for spending time with me today. I hope you feel inspired to create a space that's both beautiful and perfectly for you without breaking the bank. Don't forget you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok. The links are down below. And I would love to connect with you there. And I'll see you here next time on Creatively Miss Me. Bye bye.